High in the heart of the Alps, winter has claimed the mountains once again. The landscape transforms, silent, fierce, and breathtakingly beautiful. Temperatures plunge far below zero, and the race for survival begins. The alpine ibex knows no fear of heights. When the snowstorms sweep through the valleys, they climb even higher. The ibex is a master of survival, with a thick coat and agile legs that allow it to navigate the treacherous terrain. Up here, fierce winds keep the snow shallow, revealing tufts of mountain grass hidden beneath the ice. The ibex have adapted to the harsh conditions, using their keen senses to find food and avoid predators. They also have a specialized coat that helps to insulate them from the cold. The storm is intense, with winds howling and snow falling thick and fast. The ibex huddle together, using their collective body heat to stay warm.
The mother ibex lost her young in the snowstorm.
The mother ibex is desperate to find her young, using her keen senses to locate them in the vast, snowy landscape. She traverses treacherous terrain, using her agility and sure-footedness to reach the huddle. The mother ibex is overjoyed to be reunited with her young, and she showers them with affection and warmth. The mother ibex's determination and love have ensured the survival of her young. In this harsh yet beautiful landscape, the ibex thrive, a testament to their remarkable adaptability. The ibex are a testament to the resilience of life in the harshest of environments. Their survival is a remarkable story of adaptation and determination.